Hey everybody, it's Jason with JJ Drones, and I'm up here in the high desert, and as you can see probably through the picture, it is snowing up here. Now you're going to run into a whole bunch of this up here. I'm just outside of Victorville. With all the rain and everything is just flooding all over the place. I've driven through a bunch of detours that trucks should never go through today, and the detour that I went through, there are rock slides everywhere. Lots of cars that were stranded, lots of cars that aren't going to make it back home without a tow truck. So if you're not going to have to go anywhere, don't if you're down here in Southern California.